Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just starting off this vlog with you guys by asking you, how did you all do this week? Did you get snow where you live or rain? We got a lot of rain this week, and last weekend we had a snowstorm. But guys, I'm thankful to say it could have been worse, so I appreciate what we got. So what we're doing today, it's just basically my Saturday reset day. George is still sleeping. He's supposed to be cooking pig's feet and pig's tail. Guys, nice. The last time he cooked it, it was delicious. He was supposed to get up and start boiling the salt from it, because you know we don't want to consume all this salt. So I got up and I started helping him, but I'm not cooking it. It's gonna be him. The only thing I'm doing for him is prepping it. Let me show you what we got done so far. Yeah, so this is the pigtail. I boiled this about 3 times already. I don't want to boil it anymore because I don't want to boil out all the salt. That's the pig feet, guys. So that's boiled like 3 times already. It's still a little bit salty, so I'm gonna let it boil some more. I'm gonna cook some liver, and I season some chicken back. So I'm gonna season this liver, and over here I have pumpkin, a piece of yellow yam, we have Irish potato. Also, I'll be showing you guys later on in the video some stuff that I got last weekend, a little bit before the snowstorm, and I didn't get to show you guys, and I'm super excited to show you. But I just wanted to start my day and let you know what this vlog is gonna be about, and I may take you upstairs and show you what I'm doing with the bathroom. I'm literally just changing my shower curtain. I took the Christmas shower curtains down and I'm putting just a regular shower curtain on my bath mats. Nothing much. So guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy my little vlog. It's raining like crazy outside. Let me show you guys. Well, actually the rain stopped. It's very windy, guys. Look at the trees. Yeah, and it's cold as well. So right here, I'm just gonna be seasoning my liver with you guys on camera. How is the new year with you guys so far? Mine is not too bad, praise God. I have health and strength, I have life, and my family and friends, they are in good health and strength, and I wish and I pray that for you guys as well. I do love a lot of onions in my liver, onion and pepper. If you don't put a lot of onions and pepper, I don't know. To me, the liver don't taste right. If you all never watch my other videos, they were a little bit late, but I still post them. The Christmas video, the Christmas Eve video, Christmas Day video, the New Year's video I just posted that. I hope you all enjoyed that video. Wish I could play the video without muting it, but you know YouTube and the music, and we had some good music in the background, but unfortunately I couldn't let you guys listen because you know YouTube like to copyright. So I hope you all go over and check out that video. So guys, next Sunday, I'm actually going to a baby naming ceremony. So you all watch out for that. I'm gonna be vlogging it. It's an African friend of mine. She had a baby and she's gonna name the baby. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me as per usual, so you guys can see what that's gonna be like, in case you all never experienced. I'm gonna ask her if it's okay to do it, and then I'll definitely be vlogging that to show you guys. Guys, what you all think about my hair? I have mixed feelings about my lock. I was losing hair and I went to a dermatologist, and he told me he suspects I'm having traction alopecia, where I guess I did too much braids and wigs and weaves in my hair. So guys, take my foolish advice. You guys, if you're doing that stuff to your head, you put in too much pressure on your scalp, and you can eventually get to where I am today. So give your head a break, give your scalp a break, take care of yourself, because once you start losing your hair, guys, it's not an easy task. So I need to find like a protective style, which this is the closest I could come up with, and I've never done this in my life, and I have mixed feelings about it. There are days I feel like I would just chopping everything off. Luckily, where I'm losing my hair is in here in the middle, and it's a very embarrassing situation for me, but I want to save you guys. If you are doing too much braids and weaves, go natural sometime. Let your hair, your scalp breathe. Don't do it to yourself like I did. So now I'm paying for this, and like I said, I really do have mixed feelings. Some days I just feel like chopping the lock off, but I've come a far way, and I know at the end of the day it's for my own good, because I can't keep dragging up my scalp like this. So I'm gonna continue and try to trust the process and see what happens. I'm gonna put up some of this green pepper in it. Oh guys, I said I was going outside today, but I need a piece of area rug for my bedroom, as the one I had in there before, it was way too small. So I got rid of that piece, and I'm gonna get a bigger one. So maybe I'll run to Ross or somewhere like that to try and see if I can find a piece that I like. I don't know. Let me see. Guys, I like to use bleach to wash my plates, especially I was doing meat. The bleach kind of cut the rawness. I'm done with the pigtail. I'm basically done with that. Okay guys, I'm just gonna be showing you some of the stuff that I got. Nothing much. I got these last week and I didn't get to incorporate it in the video, so I'm just showing you the stuff right now. So this, I got a Calvin Klein at the outlet. This warm sweater was what? I paid what? $24. You can't beat that. They had them in all different colors. Guys, look. This year, I want to be drinking more water. That's one bad thing about me, guys, that I do know, and I need to work on it. I do not drink enough water. And if you don't consume enough water, guys, your organs in your body not working properly. So I got this cup. I can even put this protective thing so it won't damage your furniture. You can slip it on, slip it off. So I'm gonna be filling this with water when I'm home. I'm not gonna take this around with me everywhere. I'll be drinking more water, guys. You do the same. These I got in Target. This is like a little organizer thing. I don't know. I guess you can put whatever you want in this. I don't know if I'm gonna use this in the kitchen or in the bathroom. I haven't decided yet, but you'll definitely see it when I decide what I'm doing with it. New shower curtain hooks from Target. I'll be showing you my shower curtain that I'm changing over to today. So I bought these to hang the shower curtain. This is just my toothpaste. I use this toothpaste, guys. Very good. It's a gum detoxifier. So if you have like gum problems, bleeding gums, and stuff like those, this is a good one to use. My dentist actually recommended me to use this one. This is just a body wash for Rhea. I bought these in Target. I'm gonna put them in the bathroom. You can put them wherever you want, but I'm gonna be placing these on the sink in my bathroom. You can put it in your kitchen if you want, but this is where I chose to put mine. So I got 2 of these. These are $5, by the way. I got these plug-ins from Target as well. Guys, they smell good. This is the fresh lemon, but they have them in all different scents. So I'm using this one this time. I'm always buying like the vanilla, the lavender. So right now I'm just trying to switch it up a little bit. I got these in Target. I got 2 pieces. These are bath mats. I don't know, this is just like a little organizer. You can put whatever you want in these. Q-tips, cottons, cotton balls, it don't matter. Whatever you want to use this for. I bought me a little funnel. You know, sometimes you're pouring stuff out. You may be pouring oil or you're spilling it. This is good to have in your house. I saw this little sweater for Rhea in Target. Couldn't leave it. It's big, but it will fit her next year. Say you pack in your lunch. You can put your utensils in this, your little knife and fork set. And I got a lunch dish to match. I got some earrings from Target, which I don't need. I don't need them, guys. This is for my bathroom upstairs. I'm gonna put hand soap in this. How much was this? Maybe $10 or $15. I'm not 100% sure. So this is the shower curtain that I'm gonna put upstairs in the bathroom. I was trying to find like a light pink bath mat to go with this, but I didn't see any, and I say, you know what, let me just go with this color. Everything do have to match all the time. And I got some flowers. Okay, I got this little purse in another store. This store is called Primark. I think this was $7. Look at it. Everything does not have to be brand name. And this piece of mat is what I'm gonna use by the bathtub. So this is something one of my friends introduced me to. She ordered it off of Amazon for me, and it can literally cut your work in half. It's like a sweeper. I don't know if that's what you guys call it. Instead of you plugging in the big vacuum cleaner, you can use this. It can do your steps, your cars. Let me open it and show you guys, and then I don't know 100% about it, but I'm gonna show you guys. Still in my Amazon box, because I wanted to share it with you guys first on camera. So put it here so y'all can see what I'm doing. See, still in my Amazon box. I have this sitting now for about 2 weeks, and I said I'm not gonna just open it and use it. I want you guys to see it first, just like how I'm seeing it. We're gonna see it together. She told me about it. Wait, let me stop talking. I'm talking too much. I'm excited. Okay, here's the box. It says, let me put on my glasses because I don't know, say the half blind already, right? So let me show you what it looks like. Look. So, ultra cleaner. It's a stick vacuum, guys. You can use it for your stairs, your area rugs, your carpets, your cars. So let me stop talking and open this up. Now me talk too much. I'm excited, guys. Guess what? This look like it have a lot of pieces to it, so maybe me will need George to help me, or Kaylee. I don't know. I know I can read it and set it up. It has all the different brushes, but guys, I think this gonna be a whole nother video. So let me kind of put it back in. But for right now, this is my new family member to my house. I'll show you guys more about this. Don't worry, it's coming. All right, guys, see you later. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna change my shower curtain and I'm gonna hang these. Guys, you know, I'm just being lazy. I should have gone and get the scissors, but George is actually downstairs cooking the pig feet. So, remember I show you these downstairs? I'm gonna put some hand soap in that. So this is not 100% matching, but it can work. I'm gonna put this one by the bathtub. Now I feel like I should have gotten black, but I put black rug in my bathroom all the time and I just kind of wanted a change. Oh guys, this is what I use for my, I can never say that word, alopecia. This is what I use for it. It's peanut oil. You cannot get this over the counter. The doctor prescribed it, my dermatologist. And it's not local. It's a pharmacy that's not even in my area. So this is what I have to use. I'm gonna put my hand soap in this. I have the big bottle downstairs so I can refill this, but since I already have this in here using, I'm just gonna pour it in this. Okay guys, I'm gonna be cleaning my mirror, then I'm done with the bathroom. These flowers, it was right next to my bed and I'm putting it in here. I got this at Home Goods years ago. I'm gonna get a piece of big piece of area rug for that space. So probably that's where I'm gonna go when I'm done. So right now guys, I'm just gonna wipe the floor. Okay guys, so I'm done cleaning inside, and remember I told you that I'm gonna be running to Ross to get the area rug. So I'll see you when I get to Ross, and then I'll be picking up baby Rhea and bringing her here with me. Okay guys, we are at Ross. We're going in. Wait, let me get a cart. Got these nice little accent tables, guys. Look at that, guys. Nice, look. Cheap, and it's only $10. Here's two, guys. I think this is nice. This is nice. Guys, yeah, I like this color. Hey guys, so this is the next day. We started this vlog yesterday and I was attempting to show you guys my new stick vacuum, but I know I was gonna be a failure in front of you guys because I'm not very good assembling stuff. Usually anything we have to do, she fit everything up. I'm telling you, I'm excited to show you guys. I didn't open the box. I started, but then remember I told you yesterday I wanted to do it with you guys. So anything to make my life easier, I'm about to try. And when we're done with this, I'm just gonna show you guys how I pack my lunch for work for the following day. So stick along with us. Just watch Kaylee work. So tell them what it's called, baby. It's a stick vacuum, guys. So it's supposed to be easier for us instead of, you know, sometimes you want to do your little area rugs or your staircases or probably even your cars. And instead of plugging in that big old vacuum cleaner, this is supposed to be easier. This one, I think you literally have to charge it. Kaylee, you have to show them what you're doing, mama. It's just your hands we're seeing. So the boxes that you don't need, just drop them on the floor. So I guess maybe we have to keep this charging all the time when we're not in use, I guess. Kaylee, put it on the floor so it don't rip the chair, baby. Do it on the floor. So probably you need to move this. Take everything out of that box so we can move that. Slow down so they can see what you're doing too. Don't just hurry through it. What's that, baby? That's the battery?
Yeah.
Show them what it looks like. Okay. So you snap it in there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, mama. Oh, so it's charged already?
Yeah. I think that's it.
No, there's some more pieces.
That's like extra pieces. So.
Look at that little tiny thing, guys.
This is like another suction piece.
So you have to look in the manual. What's that for? That look like some kind of filter. So where you put that? I was just gonna say if it can't get any taller, not because me short. That's where that goes. Kaylee, I think you should look at the manual though, Mama, before you do it wrong. So guys, basically, you still plug it in to charge it, but when you're ready to use it, it's cordless, if that makes sense. So what I would do, I think I'm gonna keep it plugged in at all times. Or maybe, I don't even know if that's a good idea or not. I just plug it in maybe like an hour before I'm ready to use it. So we're gonna demonstrate it when Kaylee's done setting up and just show you guys. And then if you want to go purchase one, and comment down below and let me know how you like it, because sometimes guys, you don't have a big carpet, you just have an area rug, and it's senseless to go to plug that big old vacuum cleaner in every time. And I have stairs, so honest to God guys, sometimes I sweep the stairs because my bigger vacuum, it has a piece so that you can do the stairs. But I'm happy for this and I'm gonna try this out. And by the way, I got this on Amazon and it was on sale. I got it for $80. Normally it's 100 and something. So it's done. So what is this? Just an extra filter. Move this. I know this is for the step or something like that. No, but we have 3 filters. They could talk 4. And look at my rug. It really did a good job, guys. It did. Just a little demonstration of our little stick vacuum. If you all have anything you want to do at home, hire this girl. Yeah, guys. Huh? It's not hard. Probably I just don't have any patience, guys. But for the new year, I hope and pray and wish to learn patience. Alright guys, that was this part of the video. Now I'm gonna go into the kitchen and I'm gonna pack my lunch for work tomorrow. So come along with me. Kelly, thank you baby. Okay. You wanna help me pack my lunch too? Yes, I know. If you don't have to. Alright. The girl ever be nice and say she will help me pack my lunch, guys. So no come with me. So guys, I do work Monday to Friday. I work my 2 jobs and I have to be at my first job 8:30 in the morning, by 8:30. So I cannot wait until the morning to pack my stuff. So overnight I find my clothes that I'm wearing for the next day. I pack my lunch for the morning and my dinner for the evening. And I also, like, you know, make sure my teacup is clean, so in the morning when we turn on the kettle we can just put my tea in that and I don't have to sit to drink it. I can take it to work and have my tea at work. I don't drink coffee, guys. I love coffee, by the way, but the doctors took me off of coffee like a couple years ago because my heart was always racing and felt like it was literally coming out of my chest. So he advised me not to drink no iced tea, no soda, no coffee. I can drink tea, but like natural tea. So this is what we're gonna be doing now. Kaylee decided to help me, so I'm grateful for that. So I'll be packing my lunch in my containers, and then I'll be putting them in the fridge. And then in the morning, this is my lunch bag. It's already clean. I just take it up and put my stuff in. Okay, baby. So here's my containers. I don't pack a lot of food, guys, because if I pack a lot of food, I'm gonna eat everything. So I try to control my portions. So I have these little bowls that I do use. I have two of them. So one is for dinner, one is for my lunch. I'm not really a breakfast person. Here's my teacup, guys. I'm not a breakfast person, but I'll have my tea with some crackers. Hey, come take one of the crackers up here. So this is nice and clean, ready for tomorrow. And guys, this is my new cup that one of my New Year's resolution is to drink more water, because I really don't drink enough water. This is what I'll be using. I'll be adding my water to this. I'm taking it upstairs. When I get thirsty at night, I'll get up and I'll drink. Do like carry bottled waters, and we do have like a cooler at work where I can refill my bottles, but this one stays home. Alright, so here's my crackers, guys. I take some of this to work with me too. They're not sweet, they're cream crackers. I'll take some of this to work in a Ziploc bag, and I'll have this with my tea. So guys, I have a selection of stuff. This is liver. This is curry chicken back. So right here I have two things. And this is the rice. And George made this. This is pig's feet with pigtail. So I think I'm gonna pack some of this and some liver. So this is what we're doing. You put the rice in these. Put the rice. I'm looking for the big spoon. I won't eat the curry chicken back tomorrow. I'll eat it the next day. I'm taking this along tomorrow, my coconut water with one banana. Here guys, I have my banana and my coconut water here. This is the pigtail and the pig feet. So So guys, I do have some pumpkin and yam, and probably I leave this for the next day. So this is how we cook on the weekend, so we can pack. I know it looks like a lot of starch, guys, and it is, but I don't know. Here, Taylor, put it back in this. I love rice. That's my weakness. I think this is literally gonna help me, because sometimes I want water and I'm literally too lazy to go get the water. This is gonna be right by my bedside. So guys, literally, if I don't do this overnight, tomorrow I'm like a chicken without a head. So I don't want to be overwhelmed in the morning. So this is literally what I do every night. Or sometimes George pack my lunch for me, vice versa. He already packed his lunch for work. He's upstairs sleeping, guys, to go to work. Bam, I'm done. I'm gonna just put these back in the fridge just like this. And I'm putting this back in the fridge. The banana stays out. My crackers can go in. The banana, I'm not gonna put it in the bag. I'll leave it out for tomorrow. And also, guys, cayenne pepper. Is that how you say it? I love it. You know, this helps you to lose weight. That's what I heard. So I believe it. And I try to sprinkle this over not everything that I eat, but most stuff that I do eat. So I'm gonna pack this in my lunch bag as well. That's it for me packing my lunch. Okay guys, I'm done packing my lunch. I'm done for the day. I'm going upstairs to get my clothes ready. I already took my shower, so all I'm literally gonna go upstairs and do is lay down and relax in bed, or maybe I can start editing this video. So guys, I hope you have a blessed and a beautiful week this week. I hope you all stay safe, in good health and strength, and I hope the week just successful. And don't worry yourself over too much stuff, especially stuff that you have no control over. Just pray to God and trust Him. That's what I want to practice this year, to worry less and pray more. So guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoy my little video, especially with the stick vacuum. And guys, it actually works. I'm gonna go upstairs now, just lay down and relax. So love you all, be safe.